This is a very good opportunity to pay your monthly phone bills without taking a portion from your day job salary. A typical U.S. citizen pays at least $114 in average for phone bills per month, totaling up to $1,368 a year. Imagine what other things you can buy for that amount of savings thanks to this easy and legitimate way of making money online. You will only need a laptop or a phone, internet connection, and a few minutes of your time every day. You can actually do these during your lunchtime at work while you're having your sumptuous meal for the day. It's as simple as answering a simple online survey. This is not a scam. You will only need to find a reputable company that specializes in conducting surveys to qualified consumers. I'm sure you have already passed by this on different social media platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Some brand will be posting a survey link offering respondents a raffle ticket or a rebate once they have answered the survey. However, there are other survey providers that are always looking for legitimate and qualified respondents to answer their surveys truthfully, in exchange of some cash, vouchers, gift cards, and store credits. Yes, your honest opinion is vulnerable for these companies and brands. Business brands employ the help of survey companies to gain real and legitimate feedback from their targeted consumers. In turn, these survey companies create questionnaires and find consumers online that fit their respondent qualifications. Studies show that paid surveys generate more specific data to perform their statistical analysis, hence, brands spend money just to get honest opinion from real consumers. How it works: first of all, find a good and reputable survey company. These third-party companies are usually market research firms that collect and analyze data for the different brands that hire them. A legitimate survey company will never demand that you pay them a fee before you can start taking surveys. Remember that they should be the one paying you, and not the other way around. Legitimate survey companies will let you join into their membership for free. These are some of the legitimate survey companies, according to Bankrate.com, Swagbucks, LifePoints, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Opinion Outpost, Taluna Influencers, and MyPoints. Second, fill out your profile truthfully. Survey companies will match you with the brands that are looking for your criteria. However, please note that credible market research companies will never ask for your bank accounts, so be careful with dealing with fake survey companies. A tip: not all the time there's an available survey that needs to be answered. Some brands have limited budget, hence limited slots for the surveys. Here's a very important tip to get paid survey invitations from legitimate paying survey companies. Provide them with your working email whenever they ask for one and remove them from your spam list. Remember, you are free to join multiple paid surveys from different companies. The more companies you apply into, the more chances that these paid surveys will land in your email. Paid surveys can be worth up to $5 each. Other than that, survey companies will offer you some cash bonus once you sign up and activate your account with them. Some companies, like Survey Club, also provide focus group studies where they pay up to $200 per hour per participant. These paid surveys are fun and won't take much of your time. Start signing up to our preferred survey websites and earn some cash before the day ends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to know more about making easy money online.